Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan nachos. First, let's gather our ingredients for the star of the show, the creamy vegan cheese sauce. We'll then move on to selecting and preparing your favorite toppings, ensuring a delightful variety of textures and tastes. Finally, I'll guide you through the simple steps of assembling and serving these incredible plant-based nachos, perfect for any occasion. Creating a luscious vegan cheese sauce is simpler than you might think. Start by soaking 1 cup of raw cashews for at least 30 minutes, then drain them. Blend these cashews with about 1/2 cup of water, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, and a pinch of garlic powder, onion powder, and turmeric for color. A dash of salt and a squeeze of lemon juice will brighten the flavors. Blend until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. Now for the fun part. Choosing your toppings. Begin with a generous layer of sturdy tortilla chips that can hold up to all the goodness. Next, add some seasoned black beans or lentils for protein and texture. Fresh toppings like pico de gallo, sliced avocado, and chopped cilantro bring vibrant flavors. For those who enjoy a little heat, pickled jalapenos or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes are excellent additions. Don't forget a dollop of vegan sour cream. Assembling your vegan nachos is key to a perfect bite every time. On a baking sheet, spread out about 8 ounces of tortilla chips. Drizzle generously with your warm vegan cheese sauce, then scatter your chosen toppings evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 minutes, just until everything is heated through. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice, then serve immediately for maximum enjoyment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.